You might now know the basics of how HTML works to create the content of your website, and you might have a simple web page such as this one, which I will paste into a notepad to create a file called index.html, which we could open up in a browser. So you might be wondering now, how can I add a style to this page? So we will use cascading style sheets. We'll prompt ChatGPT to create that CSS for us. So we'll start with a basic prompt. I have this simple HTML page, which I can paste here. Can you create CSS code to add style to the page? And let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Here I can see that it's generating some code. It's actually giving me a lot of things here. I'm just going to go look at the first part here, which is cascading style sheets. I can tell by the code. So I'm going to copy this first box here, and I'm going to go back to my HTML page. Now, in order to add style to my HTML, I want to make sure that I'm putting this code inside the head tags. So I'm going to have an opening style tag and a closing style tag, both of those within the head of my HTML document, and inside these style tags, I'm going to paste in the code that ChatGPT has given me, and we can see that it looks different than HTML because it's not the same language. I'm going to save my index file and go and refresh my page to see what we've come up with here. And there we have it. So the font has changed, the text has been centered, and I can go ahead and keep prompting ChatGPT if I want specific things. Could you make the background blue, for example? And we can go and change according to what you want. So have fun creating a CSS code that you can paste into the head of your HTML page to get a different style.